Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be studying chart patterns along with the trend line and the support and resistance which we were doing in the previous video, but we are going to be continuing with that. So either open your trading view up, and today we are going to be also demo trading. So that is a bigger step that we are going to take today. So first of all, trading view you guys can open, or you guys can open any Binance. I will prefer Binance for myself because trading view, yeah, it requires subscription, but open you can, but yeah, we cannot restudy that old patterns. So today's, first of all, you have to make a daily bias. What is a daily bias? Now look at higher time frames. I'm looking at 5 minutes, but now if I look at higher time frame and if I look at today's time frame, there is a bullish candle. Bullish is upward basically. So today is a bullish candle. It means our price is ultimately going to go up at any cost. Right now, if it's falling, it's still going to go up. That's we know. Okay, you can see it fell down and it's in upper trend today. But now we are going to be studying about the next patterns. Yeah. Wait a minute. Here. I'm going to understand that. Alright, now, what is the support level here? Support is this. Alright, and done. Now we have marked our simple things, support and resistance. Now what has happened here? There has been a downtrend here. If you look at this, there has been a downtrend. Now if we look at another pattern, okay, this is a descending triangle, so next movement is going to be probably down. Let's check. Before that, let me just try another thing that we can do, because there are a lot of possible ways. There is a wedge also forming. So now what is happening in this wedge? Price has gone up one time. There should be at least 6 movements here. 2, 3, 4. They're going to be 6, yes. So it is a valid reason for our bullish. Now next is going to be bullish. Now it is not going to descend. It is going to be a bullish pattern. After this resistance, let's look what happens. Yes, it was a quick bullish here. We could have traded here and we would have made the profit till here. So we have made the correct choice. You can see even in the long run it has gone up here. It has crossed the resistance line. Not crossed, I don't think so it has crossed. Yeah, a little bit it crossed and then again. Okay. Now look at this pattern. Let me just clear everything out. Today I think we are understanding with the higher pace. Now let's look at this. Let's directly make the trend line. Now I'm not going to be making the resistance line, but if you are trying to trade, you have to make. So I have made actually a loss also of 18%, but that's fine. And I have also made a profit of about 22%, so that's also fine. But now I'm also doing demo trading to practice. So what are the kind of steps that we are requiring here? Let's see. Number one is you study from these videos. Study from videos. And only follow one creator, not multiple. Okay, when you study from these videos, after that also try demo trading side by side. Demo trading side by side. So I will be teaching that in this video also. Today is going to be a longer video than before also. Okay, then you practice demo trade, and then what you do is that basically understand chart patterns. Okay, now when you understand chart patterns, number 4, this is the final step. Do your first trade and look how has it gone. Try at least 2 3 trades. Only do 1 or 2 trades every day. Otherwise, you're going to do over trading, and because your mind, if there is a loss, your mind will be like, oh no, and you will not be able to think straight, which will lead to even more loss. So, what I'm trying to say, only try 1 or 2 trades at a time, at a day. Okay, and when you have done all this, okay, if your these trades go to profit, well and good. And if later also, like if these trades go in loss, and the other day also it goes to loss, then there is a problem. Now what you have to do is, now you have to start from here. Start from step 2. Again you have to start from step 2, and again you have to enter the trade after doing all this. Alright, I'm doing that same thing. I'm following this procedure. If you follow this, obviously that is going to be better. Now here what I am saying is, there is one symmetrical triangle being formed. So now you have to be good with pattern and all everything. Now let's see. There is a symmetrical triangle here. Okay. Now what is the move from the entry point? The move from the entry point is a bearish pattern, meaning our price is going to even more bearish. So let's calculate the bearish radius. Not radius actually, let's calculate the bearish thing. Okay, so here is this support line, kind of new support, and we make it till here. At least this, it is going to go down this much. From here, at least this much it should go. Let's check if it works or not. Okay. Yep, our trade is success here. We did the right trade. Done. It went even more down, so you could have also raised the stakes, but yeah, now it went up even more down. Okay, now this comes as a next move. Now what is this next move? Now we will look at here. How did it fall? Now there, master traders here, are there or not? Let's see on this channel. Okay, what pattern is being formed? It is the W pattern, and W pattern signifies what? It signifies, so this is what I'm writing now. Note it down somewhere, because you're not going to get this knowledge again. There's a W pattern. Now when there is a W pattern, there is definitely going to be loss next or bearish next. So at least till here the price goes till this peak, or maybe even till this. So this is the first level, line of defense if you can say, and this is the second. So at least till here the price will go down. Let's look. Yup, it went below this. So first below this and below this. So yeah, it is kind of like that, and we are doing correct trade now here. Now let's actually trade in the actual, now what is going on. Let's see now, and we are going to be doing that on my phone. Now here what's going to happen? There is going to be a bullish now. 100% there is going to be bullish. Now let me open my Binance. There you go. There's the bullish, and I'm doing BNB. Let me open BNB. Let's open BNB here. It is going to, now there is a, which pattern are we having here? This is the pattern. Let's note it down. This is a M pattern. M pattern signifies the bullish. Now there might be that it goes down. We don't know. But now most probably there is chance of bullish. So 0.50 we trade in demo trading, and we click on buy long. Order has been created and we are on a trade. Let's see. Let me check. Sometimes this have glitches, but let's look. There are no positions open. Okay, there are no positions open yet. Let me just cancel it out, and again let's place that order 0.5. Click on buy long. Order created. Position still 0. I don't know why, but you guys can see actually it is bullish. Should say positions. I don't know, it's not coming here. Let me just check. Also I have to start that screen sharing also. Okay, Now I will when I will edit it will come there. So what can we do here basically is that we close it, we could open it again. Let's check. So we have to do demo trade here. You don't need any KYC for that, of course you don't need. It is going to say for KYC cross it, verify later. Then click on more services. Then go to the demo trading and open this. Alright, and we are on BNB. No, there is no open positions and there is going to be bullish. 50, click on buy long. There is going to be one order. Let's close this. One order has been cancelled. I don't know why it's not being created. I think it's going to take some time. Just yeah. So this is demo trading. It's actually not real money. It is just like that. So you guys can also see their opinion, people's opinion. So here you guys can see. People are hoping for the price to go down, but we don't. Maybe it goes down, but most probably it's not going to go down. So see, chances are being increased here. Okay, 30% now. People hope that price is going to go up. They're buying. Let's see. I don't know why this is not opening, but it is chase. Are you sure you want to chase this order? Confirm. If you confirm this order, price will change. Paid. Okay. No, we don't want to do this. Cancel all. Stop. Cancel. I don't know why it's not working today, but okay, there is a network problem. I think. Let me check my network. It's connected. Sun. Yeah, bye. Yeah, there is now open one position, and we are able to see our rate of interest, which is ROI here. Then we are able to see PNL, which means profit and loss. So now we are going to wait for the price to go up and give us a bullish confirmation. We are also going to set our this is going to be our position, and we are going to set it up here because we took the trade about here. No, we took the trade over here. We are seeing a loss here right now, but we have to wait. Most price could go down is till here. So we're going to set that here. I'm going to set that here. Target. Let's see. Now we're gonna have to wait because this is a trade of long time. Till then I can teach you guys what is the thing. Alright. So now okay, it's automatically going. How? So let's wait and let's hope that the price goes up. And this is going to be my fifth trade since yesterday. And this, okay, there is one more thing that I want to show you. So go to this, click on the brush. Okay, this candlestick signifies a trend change. It means our price is going to go up because the earlier trend was a downtrend. Now it's going to be a uptrend. If you don't understand what is downtrend or uptrend, please watch my older video. You guys can see we are able to see some profit here, but it's not showing up there because obviously it's just right now. But we are gonna have to wait. Of course, trading is the game of patience. It's not a game of money. It's a game of patience. So you're gonna have to wait for that also. Let's just delete this. Delete that. Okay, now let's wait because if there is this kind of candle formed, meaning our price is going to go up because this spinning top candle and this parent candle signifies that the price has a trend change, and a trend change can be upward. See here, I'm going to show you guys a live example here. See, this is a trend change. At least our price could go up till here. At least. Let me check where till the price could go. Let me check. Okay, this is the thing. Straight line has to be drawn till here. Yes. Control CV. And our price is currently here. And our price should go till here. Yes. Till here only. It's not that up. Okay. Price should bullish. Okay. Okay, we are currently going in loss, but we are going to set the stop loss a bit lower. Yes. Let me check what is our no. If today is going down, it means today I'm going to remain that bearish. But let's hope for the best, and because we have made the prediction, it means our price is going to go up. We just know that. Now here, what was the like a pattern formed? Till here it was formed. One, two. So it is very important that you look at patterns, because if you make any mistake in looking at the patterns, the prices, yeah, going to move in your direction, but then your stop loss and that everything will be wrong configured. Okay. See, now I'm making a pattern, but let me check here. There was a kind of this pattern, M pattern. Now here, so till where did the price go? Till here, because if you can see this wick, this is called as a wick, which signifies the fluctuation in the price, and it has reached till here, almost till that price. So we can tell easily. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Now, if this is a hammer formed, then our price is going to go up. I'm not for sure as like a candlestick. I'm not a candlestick trader. I'm a chart based trader. Okay, let's look at our assets. Let's look at our unrealized interest, which is minus we are going in. But let's wait for the and hope for the best. Till then, I can show you guys my. In the morning today, I traded and I got a 200 something interest. There was a 50 cents profit. Look at that. 50 cents. 50 cents. Let me look at that, guys. Yeah, this is the one. I made it when? Yeah, in the morning. Yeah. 55 cents. I got a 200 something percent profit. Okay, so we are in profit officially, boys. Okay, again one loss. So, yeah, again. Okay, no. We're going to have to wait. Minus 56 we are right now. 0. Yeah, minus 64%. 62%. We are gonna have to wait here. But originally it's going to go till at least here. Let's make it even lower. Because at first you have to take lower trades. You don't have to trade like from very high chance that you can lose your money. Because if you tried that, you're definitely losing money. Okay, now here what is the resistance? Resistance is here, so at least the price will go till here. But we are in profit, guys. A little bit in profit, not completely. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to hope for the best. This is our support. Now, yeah, perfect. Now there are two kinds of trading. One is the cryptocurrency trading. One is the stock trading. Now you have to decide what you want. Now we are seeing this candle, but soon it's going to turn into bullish. Okay. But yeah, guys, there are two kinds of trading now here. All right. So there are two kinds of trading. Number one trading is that crypto one that we are doing right now, and the other one is stock. Now in stock you have a bit more risk, not bit more, but you have a lot more information as well. All right, now which information you have? Let's look. So in that stock, now you have what information do you have? You have this information. Keep in your mind if you are going for stock trading, that when gold moves up, the rate of stock come down, and when the rate of the rate of gold moves down, the stock moves up. Basically, there is a twist here. All right, now we are making some, yeah. There we go. We are going to exit this trade when we exit this area. So then we can easily see the thing. Okay. 66% we are up. 0.66%. 68. Okay. Okay. Cut that out. Now you guys can actually see here. Now what is the catch in crypto? There is no catch. There is basically when, so same market is market. There is no difference. The market is there. Market is here also. Here also market. So there are pretty much nothing there. Market, both are markets. And they have the same rules. But only this thing is different. Okay. And guys, especially when there is any news. But this is same in both. Okay, in stock also in crypto also we are in loss right now going. Okay, it's gone down. Now it's going to go up. We have to wait now. So I will be explaining you till then. So what is it? When news, any television news or any like from America, especially if there is any news, Indian news will not affect that much. But yeah, Indian news will. Yeah. This is Indian plus international news will affect the market. Or I will only affect. Then news of international will only affect the price, not any national news. Here we can see that. Okay, so next I have told this and this everything. Alright, now we can also now do on some patterns, and we're going to open that book and I'm going to attach the link for this. Okay, here's that. I'm going to show you guys that all those profits and losses. Alright. Okay. This was 7%. First of all, this is my first trade. This is on Solana. This is on XRP. And this is on again Solana. And here we have made a loss. But this is 0% loss. 0% profit, 0% loss. But the loss that I made, I have not like put that photo there. Alright. This is the complex trading, and you guys can say my trade, one trade success, second trade success. There are no more trades okay in this. Okay. Now here let's focus on this. We're going to look at the price later on. Alright. Now here we have let me just guys duplicate this so that I can actually write on this also. Okay, let me open this and we go to downloads. Okay, let me just do it from quick access. This is in our downloads. We are going to paste it. Control C. Okay, let me do this in the desktop. Okay, here it is. Now let me open this. Now here, let's look at some patterns. We have this is a great book. Okay, I'm going to say another book I have. I'm going to share both the links below in the description. Alright, so we are going to go to our major ones. Major one is which one? Okay. There are butterfly patterns, so many patterns are there. Yeah, this was the W pattern which I was saying, but this is actually known as the bat pattern. But we are going to look at it very carefully. Okay. Now here, what kind of pattern is being formed? This is a kind of W pattern, which we can obviously see. We have another pattern, which is, sorry, this is the M pattern. This is the W pattern. Okay. So we are done till here right now. Now you guys can see when this kind of pattern is formed. Inverted W you can say invert, or you can say directly M. When this pattern is formed, at least till here the price goes. At least. Or if we look from the support level, look at the support level. We have this much, and if we look from the support level, same height. So at least till here the thing goes. Alright. We are in profit currently. We are going to look onto that also. So let me look if there is any other pattern found here. Yes, there is a pattern, big pattern that we missed out on. Did we or did we not? I think we did not. Yeah, we traded on the basis of that pattern only. Sorry, I forgot. This is the one. And it's going up. We are on 1.12 if you can see on the screen. Obviously, you will be able to. Because I'm going to put that on the screen. Alright. Now we are going to look at some of the patterns. Yes, this is a crab kind of pattern, okay? But still, there are same function. So it reaches till here, alright? And the next movement is going to be, okay, this is the important one. This is the symmetric triangle which we were looking at earlier. And now look, if this is the first movement, and then there is a W pattern now here, sorry, a crab pattern, and after that the price has started falling. But now there is a crucial thing to look at. Always we have to look at the origin of the pattern, which is from here. Upward movement, downward movement, upward, downward. So this is a bullish continuation pattern. But if there is one more thing that could happen, the price would have done like this. Wait. Like this. Now tell me what would happen next. This. Because this is a continuation pattern. Okay? So it's like that you have to do. This is a ascending triangle. In the ascending triangle, if the prices come from down to up, then it's going to be a continuation pattern. Alright, it's a very simple pattern. But if the prices come from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is going to be this. Alright, this is very simple and you guys will be able to understand. Let's look what is happening behind us. Okay, it's going up. We are very thankful for that. Okay. Now let's look at the descending triangle. Perfect. Now you guys can actually see this is also a continuation pattern. How it is a continuation? It is a bearish confirmation. Now if this would have came from here, then the triangle wouldn't even have formed. It should be like this. Then it could have been like that. But otherwise if it would be like this, then the pattern would have not even formed. Okay. Now triangle type symmetrical, inverse symmetrical also is there, and these two we have already covered. Along with this we have covered. The thing that is left is this one, inverse. Now this could also be formed. Now what is the thing here? What is the crucial thing? Now there is also kind of continuation pattern. Look, you guys can see, right? So it is a kind of that, and you guys can actually see this price is going up, and when it enters here, touches this tip, that is what is to be noted. Next you have to just set up your trade from here. Entry you have to do from here. Stop loss shall be set till here, and take profit has to be set till here. Automatically you are going to gain money. Very easy. Next is a triangle pattern. Rectangle pattern. Triangle we have covered. This is also a continuation pattern. How continuation? Look at it. If the price is coming from down and it's going just like that, it's going to go up. Alright. We are currently gaining interest. Okay. Oh my god, where is this? Okay, now if this comes from down here and this is a continuation pattern. So now can any, okay, 2% we have got. Let's look at our trades. Currently going up. We're going to look at it in a few minutes. Now let's clean all this. Now can anyone tell me anything now here? What is this line? Which line is this? Can anyone tell me this line? Name of this line. And we have done it multiple of times. Yes, if you have guessed it as resistance, it is absolutely correct. Because resistance, this is the resistance line and it's the topmost line also. Perfect. Now can anyone, okay, the other one is obviously support line and that is going to be obvious one. So support is going to be this. Perfect. This is the support line. Support level. Now we are 1% only, okay. 1.77, but it's going to grow. We are going to wait for it. Yes, it's definitely going to bullish even more. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. We're going to have to wait. This is a patience game, guys. Now, how much minutes of video has been formed there? 31 minutes. Okay, we are still very short. Let's make it even longer. Okay, so this is the resistance, and the price you guys can see does not go here. But this is what. Now, this we have also covered, but we have not like completely talked about like a lot of like support and resistance. But what is this? Please tell me, guys, what is this? I hope you remember. Yup, if you guessed it, complex pullback, it is correct. It is a complex pullback because market just pulled out. We don't even know. The market has just pulled out. Now here, this is another pattern. We can actually look at examples are better to look at always. In trading, always look at graphs, patterns and everything. If you can look. It is going up, yes. Rate of interest is 2.11. 2163. Perfect. I'm hoping it to grow even more. But let's see. Okay. Now here you guys can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But the price entered from here. Okay. Price entered from where? This is the most thing that you have to look. Most important thing, which is the origin. And our origin is this. And it is a uptrend, not a downtrend. Uptrend. So now here it's going to go up. And then again, if we look at this pattern, it is a downtrend directly here. This is a complex pullback which we are looking at here. Alright. Now we have to look at some flags also. Bear flags. Not that bear, but bear flags. Now here there is a kind of pattern also forming here which we can see. Which is the crab pattern. Can anyone see this? Yes. Next. Oh my god, what happened? Why? Okay. Z. Okay guys, now what is the next thing that can happen here? What is this now? Anyone can tell me. Here also the entry matters. As I have told, always look at the origin. And if you lose any trades, do not make me responsible for it. Because you're not listening to my advice. What is my advice? That always look at the origin. Origin is downtrend and now it goes up, down, down and then. Obviously it's going to go down. That's what you have to hope for, obviously. Not hope, but obviously it's going to go there. So this is a kind of okay. Now here there is another pattern formed. Bear flag is formed. Now let's look at it. It is being formed. And now here another confirmation we have got. Another confirmation which is bullish, because if we look at the origin which is uptrend. So probably pattern is even going to break this. Let's see, because it's going down a bit. But yeah, obviously it's going to go up at the end. But let's see. Let's hope for the best. Because obviously everything we cannot like that do like that. Okay. Okay, let's look at the origin. You guys can see this, right? This is now what is it is our condition same. This is the market telling us that the price will go up. Now, if you're looking forward to any apps that you want to install and trade on, number one, I do not recommend. Do not. Okay, don't want. So I do not recommend Mudrex for this, which I am using by the way. This is the one which I am using, but I don't recommend this one because I have obviously you can see this is the 18% that I was showing you. Now here, if you look at the fees, so high. So that's why I don't recommend Mudrex for fees being too high. HIGH. Okay. And yeah, that's why I don't recommend this app. But if you wanna use, you can use it. Okay. Now let's make an option which we can use. If you want to use, no, I will not do it. Do not. But if you want to use, I can just do it and do. Yeah. Then right. Second is Binance. Yeah, this is the one that I want to recommend, which I am using on demo trade. Low fees, very low fees. That was Mudrex was taking 0.007, but this one takes Binance only takes 0.002. So there is a high difference, and I recommend this one trading fee. Next is which one? There is one trending one also. These are just normal apps. Now we are in downtrend. Let's look at that also. Okay, let's look at this. Now there can be two outcomes here. I don't know if this is going to be the right one. Sorry, three outcomes can be there. Number one, price goes up, well and good. Number two, price has came down, and it comes till here and touches this, or just goes from supportable to here to form another W pattern. So there are multiple things that can happen here, but we're going to be officially hoping for breaking this barrier. Okay, now let's wait. Alright, now here this, and now another app I'm going to recommend is another app. Now we can open Google also. Apps for Upstocks also I was going to recommend you guys. Yeah, this one is another app, MobileTrader. Many people use it. We are up. We are going up. And guys, do you see this close button onto my phone screen here in the low? This one below that liquidity price. Oh yeah, what is liquidity price? Liquidity is nothing. Liquidity is if this price reaches, my all money is going to wipe out. It just ensures and makes profit for the app only, and it ensures that okay, 3% we have gone. We have touched 3%, 3.07. We're hoping for the best. And this is, by the way, my longest trade. Otherwise, I trade till here. Probably till here. If a trade start from here, I'm going to end it till here. So this is by far my biggest trade. But we are getting low interest on it. But soon we are going to get 3.30. Alright, guys. So leverage you can select. Leverage is basically the risk. And if you increase the risk, profit will be higher. So what is leverage? Now if the leverage you have, okay, leverage I'm writing no calculator okay, if the leverage is 67 or 68, which is very high, which I choose, but if you choose 59 or even 81, which I sometimes choose. So that is going to be like, it's going to increase your decrease your margin, which is the amount needed for the trade. Like if I trade this much, but and I make the profit of 0.01 cent, which I'm making right now here, and if I have set that leverage to 59%, it's going to be times 59. No, sorry, if you will make very less profit, if you are going to like make 0.00 like 2, then it's going to be multiplied with your leverage to make that. Yes, then it's going to be multiplied. Yeah, so it's basically higher risk, higher reward, but I don't recommend that much higher. I have also selected only 20 as the leverage here. If you can see, no, I cannot show you guys, can I? You can see it's only 20 and automatic it was set. I didn't even touch it. Here we are going in that bearish now, let's say. But if you guys can see, it's going in descending right now. So most probably it's going to touch till here only, not break the barrier. So we have to decrease it till here. Perfect. Yeah. Now it has chance to break this. So what is this green area? This is the take profit and this is the stop loss. Yeah, this is probably just in short. By chance I was not on my phone, I was doing some other activity, playing or everything. Then I don't even know if the price has gone up. And if the price skyrocketed and crossed my limit, automatically profit will be taken and put into my wallet without any risk. And if by chance the price falls and I don't want it to fall completely and lose all my money, it can just cut off here. So this ensures safety and more things. Yeah. By far my longest trade, guys. Okay. We are reaching very close to our line. I'm just zooming this in. 3.09 we have won. 3.07. Okay. So if you learn to analyze charts like this, like I'm doing, you're going to be a professional trader. I guarantee you. Like if we, like I and some of my friends also are watching this video, know like things to, yeah. What I can I say now here? Nothing I can say. Okay. So now this is a very special time for them, the like friends who are watching. Okay, because obviously I studied in school only, but we can still do. In trading, we don't have an age limit. It is, yeah, there is an age limit which is 10 plus, and after that you can take help of your family or parents, and like any family member, and parents also come in the family only. So family or even friends like me. So you can take help from them if your parents allow. Then you can start with the trading. Now how can you do? Now first, if you start, so when I started this all investing trading thing, it took me, like I started on the 31st of October. Now what is the date today? It's 10. So it took me around 2 weeks. Let's round it up, and 2 weeks we can do. In 2 weeks I have done demo trading and everything. Now still I'm doing demo trading. Okay, wait, the price is falling. Okay. Okay. Even if it falls, no problem. It's going to bounce off this support and touch that layer. Then we are going to close our trade. Okay, hammer pattern. Let's look at our unrealized interest, which is this one, 0.008 cents or dollars. Okay, let's convert that USD to INR. 0.008, which is 71 paisa. But as you increase the budget, like if you put around how much money, if you put 100,000, $100,000 I'm talking about, and how much interest rate you get, multiply by how much percentage, that is 20%, I guess. Yeah, because here we can see one. Okay, let's do it two because we still two, and we put the percentage symbol. Where is the percentage symbol? Okay, modulo. And okay, yeah, on 100,000. No, no, no. It is 20%, not. Okay, let's take it as 2,000 only. That's 2,000 dollars interest because obviously how much we have traded. So 2,000. That's how much you guys can see. But money does not grow that fast, so you are going to have to patience, and in about 5 to 10 years you are going to be a millionaire. That's the thing. But some people take more time, so 15 years is estimate, you can say, to become a millionaire. But still you can become a very, like, 500k you can have easily, but you have to start with smaller trades first. Okay, so this is what I recommend to people. You start with smaller trades of 500. Okay, put 500 in your wallet only. If you can see this, I have only put 500. Okay, this is my futures wallet in which I have put the money, which is the trading. So you can see 500 only. This I have deposited. Otherwise, I have not deposited anything. Okay, we have, I think, a loss here, but it's going to bounce back up, which I know for sure, and we're going to close the trade right there. Why is it not saying, like, I think there is a network problem? How is it? Okay, 3%. How? Okay, it has grown a bit. There is a delay of some seconds, I think. Okay, let's wait for this price to automatically change. Alright, so this is the video here. 1 hour we have automatically reached here without even doing that much things. But we have covered some patterns, and I hope you guys can read these patterns from the book. Alright, I will share everything below the this video. I'm going to share some links, and if those links don't work, you already know how to just now do this. Mindful trading. Okay, mindful trading YouTube channel. Now where is it? There are a lot of names of this channel also, but this is the official one. Mindful trading, mindful trading, mindful trading. Which one is ours? Let's look. Let me just open any one. Yeah, this one. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Now here this has opened, and you open any of my one videos. Okay. You go down below this. You see this. These are the basically beats used here. Okay, now if you see this, you can just go onto your laptop and copy this and put that, because I don't have that monetization thing. What is it called? I forgot that name of the thing. But yes, I forgot about that. So you can just copy about that and paste. I'm going to make one website in HTML, and you guys can directly download the book PDF from there, so that you don't have to uh, go from here to there. Let's just finish up this trade and let's see what happens. First of all, guys, I know if you first time you trade, just don't worry what I'm saying. Original trade if you do, just don't worry. Think, oh wow, it's going to go up. Never think that it's going to go down. Because if you think it's going to go down, definitely. Because yesterday I was thinking it's going to go down, it went down. So definitely I say think positively, not negative. Always positive. Let me just do it till here. Now you guys can actually see it. Okay. Now it's enhanced, and yeah. So right now I am on 0.9293. Let's take it as 92. Yes. I should probably cut the video here, but let's wait for it and let's see. So now if, yeah, we can track more patterns till then. Let this price roll and we track more patterns. So let's see which pattern was formed so that it led to such a big movement. Okay, which pattern is here? We can see another pattern. Okay, guys, we can see another pattern here. That pattern we have studied multiple times. In this video, the wick was still here, right? The W pattern or the M pattern, inverted W. And the price went skyrocketing up. So here you don't have to look at the origin because you are obviously making this pattern. Just make this pattern and you guys can see. Now you guys say, how do I do this? That is basically just my forward key. It's not a replay kind of thing. It's just a free thing. Okay, it's a free one. Okay, we are kind of entry a loss here, but let's wait and see what happens. Okay, what is the rate? Wow, it's very high. Here if I type okay demo trading, I will show you how to do demo trading. There are many websites, but if I write here Binance demo trading, Binance, press enter and perfect. Click on the first link. Okay. Then click on the here home button. Click on this Google icon and open any one of your accounts. Okay, I'm not going to open any accounts here, but you can open any account here. Even you can log in here or even sign up with the mails and everything. Then you create the demo here and I have guided you how to do it. Otherwise, I will guide it in the next video how to do a complete account setup for demo trading. So you can actually start with your demo trade here. Okay, so I'm hoping for the best and it's continuously going. It's a longer trade. Okay, we are by. Okay. How much video have we filmed? Because if it's over an hour, I cannot actually uh, just take that video out because I'm using this recorder and it's recording. If it goes above an hour, I won't be able to download this video and edit it. So I have to make sure just to end it just before 1 hour. Okay, it's going up. New support level is being formed there. Has been formed, not being formed. It's formed already. This is the new support. New support. Perfect. Okay, we are up. Let's hope for the best and let's hope it goes up. I always prefer to take a longer trade and always set the stop loss at the correct place and also set the take profit at the correct place. Now look at the wedge here. Wedge also is being formed. Hello, yeah. Oh, sorry, this is not a wedge. This is a flag. Yeah, which flag? I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be here, and 6 will be here. No, is there going to be 6? Yeah, 6 is going to be here, and then 7 is going to be up. Directly up. Is going to cross this support. Going to, yeah, let me just check. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 is going to be directly up. So market can be predicted, but our job is not to predict. It is to react. What is the price doing? I can even hold it for even longer. I can just increase this until here. I can I have not set a stop loss and take profit on that iPhone. I can even increase it till here, but I don't want to increase and make the video lengthier. It's already 55 minutes. Earlier was it till here? Yeah. Till here only it was, yes. So I don't want to make the video longer. I know this will be crossed, but or we can continue. I can join two videos together. If this ends, I can join another one. Okay, let's wait. Obviously, I'm doing all the like commentary here. But okay, what am I doing is control tab, control. Okay, let's save this. I'm going to put this in the description. You guys can see this and everything. Now here you guys can log in and everything. Okay. So we are waiting for the price to go up. I have some other wallets also, like the Trust wallet. I have other tokens here. This one I have, yes. I earned it from one website. You can also earn from there. Okay, now I'm saying ways to earn. Jump task. Here, what you can do is you can watch videos, play games to earn money. You can see, and I have actually earned it and put it into my crypto wallet. But I recommend trading is better because here you earn very less. So trading is definitely better. First, it should go up. Price shall go up. See, there are two things like this already formed. So it recommends, okay, so going to go up and then down. Okay, let me just retrace this. It should go like that. Down, then up. This is the correct bear flag. If this even goes till here, still we don't have any worries because already we know that we have got a bearish confirmation that bullish confirmation that the price will go up. Still we don't have any chances to earn money because we have set a two-factor kind of thing and we know that price is ultimately going to go up. Let's now look at the okay, now there is this, you guys can see this is the thing. Now our time frame has also showed us, which is another bullish confirmation. I'll join two videos. I'm going to stop with this video and start. Okay, you guys can actually see this. Now I'm going to actually put this video on download. Limits reached. Okay, wait. Go to videos. Okay. Close this. Let me also check this. Till then the price is also running. Yes. Close this. My items. As a 20 minute. Okay, 22 videos have been there. So this is the old one that we have filmed today. Earlier also there is one. This one. Let's remove. Move to trash. Move to trash. Move to trash. Move. There is still one more video left. That is what we are recording. Move to trash. How can we download? Hold this. Okay. Now let's wait. We are hoping for a price up. I'm going to mute myself and we're going to see our price going up. And my battery is also low. I have to charge my phone as well. And let's charge it. दूध बना दो भैया मेरा। वीडियो तो चल रही है, बोलना मत अब। Okay guys, yeah, I'm also on mute now, and this price is going to run and you're going to see it while crossing that take profit, and then I'm going to talk back. Okay, here is a huge increase and I'm going to get back to you in a minute. Okay guys, price is about to cross it and we're going to close our trade. Yes, yes, if it just skyrockets, we're going to be easy able to cut it out. We're very close to the trade. I'm also on the close trade button. I'm just about to click it. Yes, about to click it. Okay, go up. Why are you stopping now? Just cross this line. We're going to be up. Very close. Okay, we have crossed. Confirm, confirm. So we have a successful trade here, and we have just made a profit, and our trade was 100% successful, as we can see. So now with this, I round up the video, and we're going to talk back now later on. We have made a profit, and we can actually see it on the trade history on this. Wait, not this one. Where is that history? It's not there. Action, pending, order history. Okay. Okay, we did buy long, right? Yeah, this one. This is the one. 1743. No, no. Trade details. Yeah, we took the trade at 7. How much? 17. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's correct. So this is the one. And we are going to see. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.